Hello everyone. Today I am here to share few of my thoughts with you regarding the present situation and the lessons to learn from it. From the past 3 weeks, our country is under lockdown and also sealed down at few places. Why such a serious condition has arisen and what is the roles and responsibilities of us being the greatest creation of this universe and also being the fellow citizen of our country. We should follow the rules and regulations given by the government by maintaining social distance, being hygienic, and help the poor and needy as much as possible from our side. The main focus is what is the lesson that we should learn from the present situation. All these years we were spoiling the nature, and as a result of this the mankind had to face many kinds of natural disasters and many other kinds of problems, one of them being the global warming. But still we never made any attempt to learn, understand and adopt nature's law into our life. I feel today the nature is teaching us a lesson as we had not learnt it from the past. Today, the whole world is under lockdown. No movement of any vehicles and no deforestation. As a result of this, then air is getting purified and the water is also being purified. And the effect of global warming has also reduced to a great extent. I feel the nature knows how to clean itself and the creations of this universe. By the way, the loss is only for the human beings and not for the animals, because we can see that all the animals and birds are moving and flying happily without any fear. I would like to say that we were very proud that being human being we can do and achieve anything on this earth. But a small invisible virus has made us to sit in the house. Keeping all the negative aspects aside, I would like to point out few positive changes from the present situation. We are in our house spending quality time with our family members, which we never did before. The word busy is missing from our discussion, and we can make out that we can live without being very busy. Unwanted eating or intake has reduced. As a result of this, our general health has also improved. We can make see that all the OPDs are closed because of the lockdown, and the unwanted testing or unwanted dumping into the system has reduced, and all the people are under home remedies. The food wastage has come down. The city is neat, clean and calm without any noise. The air and the water, which are the fundamental requirement for our existence, is getting purified. I feel that the nature knows how to purify itself, keeping us aside. We all were talking about global warming, save the earth, save the environment, but did nothing. But now the nature is doing the job. We all should know one thing, that all the creations and their functions are carried out by the nature by under the supervision of Lord. It is said that even a grass stick will not move without Lord's permission or his order. If that is the case, is not today's situation under his supervision? Yes, of course it is. But for what? I feel it is to teach us to go back to the lap of nature. I would like to say few things about the present situation with reference to Bhagavad Gita, so what we can do in the present situation, and with reference to some alternate therapies. So, viewing today's condition with reference to Bhagavad Gita, to say what we can do. We can follow the Karma Yoga as said by the Lord in Bhagavad Gita. Lord says Karmanye vadikaraste ma paleshu kadachana, which means perform your actions and duties and leave the results onto me. So, what is the duties and responsibilities which we can perform in today's situation? Keeping ourselves hygienic. Hygienic means uh, not only physical aspect but also by mind and by heart. Maintain social distancing and obey the rules and regulations given by the doctors and the government. Viewing today's context in reference to nature cure or naturopathy. The first one out of the 6 fundamental principles of nature cure says healing power of nature, which means the nature has the ability or the power to heal itself when it is kept undisturbed and silent. In today's situation, we are in our house, not going outside, and the nature is free from all kinds of pollutions and other unwanted things. So, it is purifying itself. Viewing today's condition in the context or with reference to Ayurveda, one of the principles of Ayurveda says, Langanam Parama Aushadam, which means fasting is the best cure. In today's condition, even if we are not doing the actual fasting, but we are fasting from the unwanted eatings and intakes and avoiding the accumulation of morbid matter in our body. Viewing today's condition with reference to acupuncture, one of the principles of acupuncture says we should keep ourselves safe from the 6 exopathogens and their effect. Being in the house makes us safe from these 6 exopathogens and their effect. So overall, it is very good for us to stay in the house and obey the rules and regulations given by the government. And let us support and extend our support to all the doctors, police forces, the health ministries, and all the other people, those who are working for us to give a safe and healthy environment. So let us stay in the house, be safe, and be healthy. Thank you.